you want to do something what's called a run the comps. Comps would be comparable properties. And so what you want to do is you want to look within a half-mile radius of your property, see what's sold in the last 6 months. You want to narrow it down by the square footage of the properties that are selling and the square footage of the lot size. You want them to be similar to yours. You got to look at the pictures of the property and make sure that the condition is pretty close to the condition of your property. Now, just because it's within a half-mile radius doesn't necessarily make it a comp. And the reason why is because there could be two different areas within half-mile. Look at the difference between south of Ventura Boulevard and north of Ventura Boulevard. That's a huge difference right there. If you want to find out a little bit more of a professional opinion, you get a real estate agent to come by, take a look at your property and do a walkthrough, and then they'll give you their opinion. If you want an even more professional opinion, then you want to call an appraiser up and they'll tell you what they think your property's worth.